decided I wanted to try a wrecked ring pour like Mina used to do. I'm missing the old school Mina videos a little bit, so I decided to make my own. And I decided I'm going to use a split cup because maybe I would get finer circles in my ring pour. You'll see that they're so fine that maybe that wasn't a good idea. So the center of this I didn't end up liking, so I kind of poured off a lot of the wrecked ring pour, and then I didn't like it as much after that, so I decided to add an embellishment, which I'll kind of show you how I did it at the end. But let me know what you think. So the cup that I'm using is from JNL Design Group. They have a shop on Etsy, but sometimes the shop disappears. I don't know if they take vacation, but if you're interested in these cups, they just keep checking out Etsy, or I think they have their own website as well. But if you see that there's no store, just check back another time because it seems to disappear for some reason. take a close-up shot of this painting. I didn't really like it, and I thought I was going to end up scraping it in the end, so I didn't really bother with the shot. And here it is all dry, so you can kind of see how it turned out. It is really shiny, and I do like the definition in some areas, so I decided I'm going to put a Mina stencil on here because we're just doing full-scale Mina today. And I'm using a little stencil dabber thingy and some Artist Loft silver paint. I don't really like working with the gloss gel very much. I tried it before and it seems to make a mess. So the idea here was to dab on the silver with this little dabber thingy, and then I was going to add some bloom paints on top, but those didn't end up sticking very well. So in the end I did the silver paint, and then I decided it was kind of plain, so then I ended up adding some of the TLP pigment powder to the top, which I didn't put on video, and you can't really see it in the end product either, but it's definitely a little bit shiny in person. I haven't had the best luck with stencils coming out great when I add more than one color for some reason. I'm still struggling with getting the stencils to look good when they're not just plain one color. So here you can see a little bit of the color I tried to add. It was a color shift paint, but here you can see it in the dried result.